Hey, what's going on, guys? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. So we all know that Google is the #1 search engine in the world. So how can we use that to our advantage to make some money? So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about a simple way to make $100 per day using the power of Google. And then if you stay until the end, I will give you actionable steps to take so you can do this yourself. All right, so let's get started. All right, most likely I took myself off the screen so you guys can see everything and I'm not blocking anything with my little camera. The way that we're going to make $100 per day on Google is through a blog. Yes, a blog. It is still very relevant today and people are still making a lot of money. Before I show you how to make money yourself, we're gonna go over 4 different blogs that are making 6 figures a month at least. Keep in mind that every single one of these blogs that we're gonna see has been doing this for years and years and years and has a lot of dedication and commitment to their blog. After we go through all of them, I will tell you exactly how they're making their money, and then we'll get into how you can make some money as well. Keep in mind this is gonna take work. It takes very little investment, but it takes a lot of work. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first one is John Dumas's blog, EO Fire, which is an entrepreneurship blog, and he also has a podcast. I believe he started with a podcast and then combine the two, the podcast and the blog. You can see his niche is entrepreneurship, finances, lifestyle. I believe he has over 1,900 episodes on his podcast, and he's been featured in Forbes, Success, Inc., and even Gary V's on here. This is a very well done podcast. Obviously, it has taken him a lot of time and work to get to this point. He did not start here, which is something I want you guys to know. It does take time, it does take work, but everybody starts somewhere. You can see up here in the corner, 176,000 in October. That is 1 month. That is the month of October that he's making that much money. Blogs are still very much relevant and they could still make you a lot of money. All right, so the next one is Smart Passive Income. Pat Flynn, who is very well known for his blog, he breaks down all of his income and everything like that. A lot of entrepreneurships follow this blog or know about him. He's been doing his blog for about 8 years now, and he's been sharing his journey ever since he started. So his niche is entrepreneurship, and he teaches people easy to use techniques for running an online business and creating a passive income. Pat Flynn, if you've never heard of him, check out his blog. Okay, so the next one is Michelle Gardner of Making Sense of Sense. This is more of a frugal lifestyle and savings kind of blog that teaches you how to save your money and grow it. How to make extra money in different ways. And she even teaches you how to start your own blog, as you can see here. She's been doing it for 7 years, and she also makes 6 figures a month. Okay, so this last one is not in the entrepreneurship niche. It's in the food niche. So this is Pinch of Yum. This blog has been going on for 8 to 9 years, and she's making well above 6 figures as well. So it's not just the entrepreneurship niche or the finance niche that makes money. It's literally any niche that you have. You just have to grow it and then learn how to monetize it. So in here she talks about food and recipes and all that stuff. Okay, so how do they make money with their blogs? Every single one of these blogs is utilizing different streams of income, but the 3 ways that every single one of them is making money with is affiliate marketing. So they're promoting different products on their blog, and when people click on their link, they get a commission if they make a sale. That's one way. The next way is sponsorships. So some of them have podcasts. So people often want to sponsor a podcast or, buy that advertising space in the beginning of a podcast. That's another way they make money. Or they sell advertisement on their blog for businesses. So that's also a way of sponsoring and getting money in that way. And then one of the last ways they make money is selling their own products, right? They've built up this huge audience that connects with them, and now they're making their own products, whether it's books, ebooks, courses, whatever, and then they're going to monetize that way. So those are 3 different ways: affiliate marketing, sponsors, and their own products. Okay, so how do you start your own blog? So let me give you 5 steps that are key in starting a blog, and then you will be able to take action upon these steps. So the first one's picking a niche and a name that is relative to that niche. You can also just use your name, and then it gives you a little leeway in case you want to switch niches or something. But you want to pick a niche that is profitable or that you know a lot of. You don't necessarily have to be passionate about it. That could be problematic down the road, but pick something you know about, pick something you are passionate about if you can, or pick a niche that is evergreen. The evergreen niches are making money online, entrepreneurship, health and fitness, and relationships. So you can pick one of those, and those are evergreen niches that are always popular. Okay, so after you've picked a name and a niche, you're going to pick a platform. Where do you want to publish your blog? I'm not going to get into all of the different platforms that there are. I'm just going to say use WordPress. It's very simple, very easy, and then you can host it through Bluehost. If you prefer a different platform, then obviously go that direction, but we're just going to keep it simple and say use WordPress and Bluehost. Okay, so this is going to be absolutely key to the success of your blog. You're going to have to consistently create content around your niche to get people engaged so that you can start ranking on Google. You want to create content that is good and engaging, and also on a consistent basis, like scheduled basis, so you can tell your followers that you post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or every Friday, or every single day, whatever you can handle that isn't gonna damage the quality of your work, okay? But creating content is the absolute key in growing your blog. Okay, so the fourth step, after you have picked a niche, you have picked a platform, you have started to create content, you're going to get affiliate links surrounding your content so you can start monetizing this blog. If you are in the health and fitness niche and that's what your blog is about, you can promote different nutrition products or fitness products so that when people read your blog about that particular product, they can choose to hit the link and then you will receive a commission on that. This is how we're going to monetize it to start, and then you can expand from there as your blog grows. The fifth and final step is social share. So share it on your social media sites. If you have a YouTube channel, share it on your YouTube channel so that you can start getting traffic from different directions into your blog, which is also going to help you rank on Google. The higher you rank on Google, the more people are going to be clicking on your site. Just a little pro tip at the end, I suggest you implement video within your blog, because I truly believe that in 2019 video will be king, especially surrounding selling of products or affiliate marketing or just business in general. Video is going to be king because nothing relates to consumers as a video like the one we're making here. Okay, consider it and then make your decision. There's different ways you can do it. You don't always have to show your face. I know that's a big issue for people. That was a big issue for me in the beginning, but there's other ways around that, okay? All right, guys, so implement this. It's a very cheap way to start making some money online with Google. Create your own blog, still very relevant, still very possible. I showed you 4 different blogs that are making 6 figures a month. Obviously, that is a huge amount, which will take a long time, but you can get a piece of that and start making at least 100 a day if you put the time in and if you put the work in. All right, guys, if you found this informative, I would appreciate a like, and I appreciate you guys watching until the end if you made it here. Until next time, I will see all of you in that next video.